Hey, it's Jake Eldridge with Realty One Group Eminence. If you've been considering doing some home renovations to boost the value of your home when you go to sell, then this video is for you. According to Bankrate and Keeping Current Matters, there are 4 renovations that give you the highest return on investment. Number 1 is garage door replacement. According to them, you would recoup 97.5% of the cost by replacing that garage door before you sell. Number 2 is manufactured stone veneer. According to them, 94.9% of your cost would be recouped if you choose to do that. A minor kitchen remodel, as that does recoup 80.5% of the cost. And lastly, a wood deck at 75.6% of the cost recouped. Call me at 775-378-4976. Thanks.